will be in Pakistan very soon, and there you are, and here you are. So I think I'm very happy to know that today's discussion has taken place and there have been very satisfactory progress between the two teams and led by you, and of course areas of mutual interest, they have been highlighted, earmarked, and of course Rome was not built overnight. But if we are committed, which we are, and we do our homework properly, and this I am addressing to myself and to my team here, that we have to be ready in every sense of the word in terms of providing bankable propositions, feasibilities which are prepared by A-class consultants, which are accepted internationally, pre-feasibilities, and so on and so forth. Then sky is the limit. And I'm sure that today's discussion will usher into a new era of very close cooperation, and in coming weeks and months, we will be able to, inshallah, sign agreements worth billions of dollars, and I hope my dear brother, His Royal Highness, the Crown Prince, will grace this occasion by visiting Pakistan. And I can assure you that this entire hall with Pakistanis, ladies and gentlemen, and the entire Pakistan is waiting for his arrival and looking forward to this great ceremony and great visit. We will, on our side, make fullest preparation, and inshallah we will live up to your expectations. Let's move with a sense of direction and sense of purpose for our future generations. And I can tell you that SIFC is a model which has been wonderfully carved out during our short stint in 2022-23, and it is a very robust mechanism which will inshallah ensure that we achieve our goals. It is headed by the Prime Minister of Pakistan and of course the Apex Committee, in which Chief Army Staff is a very prominent member, along with other